At Queentex, this is anything but business as usual. The company, which provides clothing and blankets to Gaza's health sector, had largely switched from manufacturing to importing what it could get through the Israeli and Egyptian blockade. But now it's rehiring laid-off employees to make just one product: medical-grade coveralls for health workers preparing to confront the coronavirus.
Now we're getting an income. We can buy food for our children and get them what they need. Before the coronavirus, we could just get a bit of seasonal work.
Co-owner HASSAN ELWAN is, for now at least, rare in Gaza, someone who's seen the effects of the pandemic up close. He'd been living in China for 15 years, sourcing the company's products. When the virus started to spread, he was quarantined there for 2 weeks before deciding to come home.
I knew the virus would reach us here. I wanted to import the suit from China, but it would have taken too long. So I got all the specifications from Chinese friends and decided to produce it here. We found the raw materials and made a prototype, and I got the Ministry of Health's approval.
He says his 5 factories can produce 1,000 suits a day, but Gaza's market has only enough raw material to make a total of 10,000. The same blockade that has hampered the market has also slowed the entry of the virus into Gaza. But with a handful of cases now detected, there is huge concern about the potential impact on a densely packed strip of 2 million people reliant on an already struggling health system. Another textile factory and more intense activity. Here and in 4 other restarted sister factories, they're working 2 shifts a day to meet demand. But these masks aren't for Gaza, they're going to the occupied West Bank and to Israel.
In the past, Gaza factories had been working around the clock to supply Israeli, West Bank and Gaza markets. But because of the Israeli siege, we all stopped our production lines. Since the spread of the coronavirus, I got purchasing orders from an Israeli private company and another company in Hebron in the West Bank, a total of 5 million masks.
HABOUB has rehired more than 150 unemployed workers to fulfill the massive orders. But while he and his employees are glad of this sudden surge in demand, there's also a fear that it could be the prelude to a devastating new crisis for Gaza's economy and the health of its people. Harry Fawcett, Al Jazeera.